Hi, I'm Stefan from FireAlarm.com. In this video, I'll be diving into more detail about our new fire alarm and fire safety services we are now offering. Are you dealing with Department of Buildings or Fire Department violations for your home or business? We understand the time it takes and the difficulty of understanding fire safety and life safety laws. We provide resolution services to get your business or home back on track. With our expert team of engineers and expediters, we can investigate, research, evaluate, and review any violations that your fire alarm system may have. With our recommended resolution report, we can directly assist you in order to clear any violations, letter of defects, or fines that your building or home may be facing. Resolving fire safety violations has never been easier. For servicing of your life safety systems, FireAlarm.com is the company of your choice. We want more than anything for you to be one of our many satisfied customers. Visit FireAlarm.com/services, fill out all the applicable information, and we'll be in contact with you as soon as possible. We want to work out an affordable quote with you in order to have you, your occupants, your colleagues, and your family feeling safer and more secure than ever. As always, keep it locked to FireAlarm.com for more fire alarm and fire safety news, information, and services. Until next time. FireAlarm.com, your trusted source for fire safety. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.